Hello and welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 2, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin with the first question. So the reference for the first question is that travel agents in Egypt are charging each family member thousands of dollars to secure safe passage through the Rafah border crossing. So this brings the Rafah border crossing to the news and also Egypt. So the question talks about Rafah crossing. Recently seen in the news is a border crossing between Egypt and which of the following countries? So between Egypt and which among the following countries is the Rafah crossing involved? So that is Libya, Sudan, Jordan or Palestine. So let's see. So it is because of the Israel-Hamas war that the Egypt and the Rafah crossing came to the news. So if we talk about the map, look at this map. So if we talk about, first of all, let's look at the map. So this is Gaza Strip. And Gaza Strip is ruled by what? It is ruled by Hamas. And this belongs to Palestine. So if we talk about Israel, Israel is a country, and then within in the whole area of Israel, then there is Palestine also, and that is with regard to the West Bank and Gaza Strip, and Gaza Strip is ruled by Hamas. So Gaza Strip, when the fight between Hamas and Israel was going on, so it is the northern side of Gaza Strip, which was basically, this is the area which was basically attacked by the Israel, but then now the people or the population of the Gaza Strip has basically shifted to the southern part of the Gaza Strip, and now the bombings have taking place in the southern part also. So if we will see the Gaza Strip, then the northern and the eastern side is sharing border with Israel, while the western side is sharing border with Mediterranean Sea. And then if we talk about the southern side, so southern side is sharing border with Egypt. So most of the population from the Gaza Strip was moving to the Egypt, and that is through the Rafah crossing. So this is the Rafah crossing, which is between Egypt and Palestine. So the people were moving from the Rafah crossing to the Egypt. So out of all the options, that is Libya, Sudan, Jordan and Palestine, the correct answer is option D, that is Palestine. So next question, and the reference talks about that recently World Bank approved 1 billion loan for Dasu hydropower project. So the Dasu hydropower project, so the recently Dasu hydroelectric project was in news. It is located in which country? Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan. So it is the Dasu hydroelectric project. And whenever we hear the word hydroelectric, it means the generation of electricity through the use of water. High speed turbines generates the electricity through the use of water. So if we will talk about, then the Dasu hydropower project was in news. It is because of its investment from China, and China is also talking about taking its investment back. And the Dasu hydropower project is very closely related to the CPEC, that is the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and that is why it has a very strategic location. So I think now you can guess that the Dasu hydropower project is located in Pakistan, and it is located on the river Indus. So look at this map. This is the map of Pakistan, and this is Indus River, and this is the location of the Dasu hydropower project. And if we will see that it is very close to the India's border. So Dasu hydropower project is situated in Pakistan, and that is why option A becomes the correct answer. So now moving on to the next question. The reference is, recently North Korea has fired 60 rounds of artillery near Yongpyong Island, which has increased tension between North and South Korea. So the question talks about which of the following countries is part of the Zomia region. So Zomia is a region. So the options are India, Myanmar, Laos and China. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Only 1 and 4, only 1, 2 and 4, only 2, 3 and 4, or all of the above. So let's see. So if we talk about the Zomia, Z-O-M-I-A, Zomia region. So Zomia region is basically a region which belongs to the Southeast Asia and Southeast Asia countries, and also there is an extended part of it. So they usually, the Zomia region usually have the mountainous region or the lower mountainous region of Southeast Asia and the South Asia. So if we talk about, so you can see this is the Zomia region. So the red color which you see is the core Zomia region. So that is Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, and then there is an extended part of Zomia region also, which comes Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet and the northeastern part of India. Then there is Cambodia, Vietnam. So it basically has around 10 countries in it, and this term was developed during the time of 2012 and 13. So it is a very recent term, and it basically talks about the mainland of the Southeast Asia or the extended part of Southeast Asia, that is the South Asian countries. So the correct answer for this question becomes that part of the Zomia region, India, yes, that is the northeastern part of India, Laos, yes, Myanmar, yes, China, yes. So you see this. So you can say the Tibet region and the little mountainous region of the China, and also the region of Hindu Kush, then southern China regions. So China is also a part of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it means option D is the correct answer, which is all of the above. Now moving on to the next question. The reference talks about recently aid organizations have urged international actors to take immediate action to stop famine in Sudan. So the question talks about, consider the following pairs. On one side the location is given, while on the other side the country is given. So Pelitva, Myanmar, Kyiv, Russia, Belgorod, Ukraine. Which of the above pairs is or are correctly matched? So how many of the pairs are correctly matched? Let's see. Pelitva. So if we talk about the location Pelitva, so Pelitva is a location which is situated in Myanmar, and it is situated to the western side of Myanmar, which is very close to the Bangladesh, and also south to the region of northeastern part of India. So very close to Bangladesh and northeastern part of India, and it also plays a role in the multimodal project of India and Myanmar. So Pelitva, Myanmar is correct. Then comes Kyiv. So Kyiv does not belong to Russia. Kyiv belongs to Ukraine, and Kyiv is the capital of Ukraine. So this is Kyiv. Then comes next, that is Belgorod. So Belgorod belongs to Russia, not Ukraine, and Belgorod is situated in the western side of Russia. So this is Russia, and Belgorod is situated in the western side of Russia, very close to Europe. So Pelitva, Myanmar, correct. Kyiv, Russia, no. Belgorod, Ukraine, no. So they are interchangeable. So which of the pairs are correctly matched? So it is only one. So the correct answer becomes option A, that is only one. Next question. So the reference talks about recently terrorists attacked the famous Turbat Naval Air Base and Sandak Copper Gold project. So this brings the Turbat Naval Air Base and Sandak Copper Gold project to the news, and the question talks about in which country are the recently discussed Turbat Naval Air Base and Sandak Copper Gold project located. So that is Pakistan, Israel, Ukraine and Greenland. So let's see. So look at this map. This is the map of Pakistan. And if we will talk about the Turbat Naval Airways, so the Turbat Naval Airways is situated in the southern region of the Pakistan. So this is the southern region of the Pakistan, and the province it belongs to is Baluchistan, and it is close to the Iranian border. Then comes next, that is the Sandak gold copper plain. So that is, if you look at, this is the map of Pakistan, and see this, it is talking about the Sandak copper gold project. So the Sandak copper gold project is also situated in Pakistan, Baluchistan province, and it is situated in the western side of Pakistan. This is the location, and very close to the border of Iran, very close to the border of Iran. And recently the Baluchistan province of Pakistan was not on good terms with the Iran, because there was firing which was taking place between Iran and Pakistan. So the correct answer for this question becomes option A, that is Pakistan. Now next question. So the reference talks about, recently Myanmar's Vice President Henry Van Theo has resigned amid health concerns. So the question talks about, consider the following statements with reference to Myanmar. So there are three statements. First, the Bago Yoma range and Shan Plateau are located in Myanmar. Bago Yoma range and Shan Plateau. And the question is asking which of the above statements given above is or are correct. So let's see the first, that is Bago Yoma range and Shan Plateau. So if we will look at the map of Myanmar, this is the map of Myanmar, and Myanmar is India's neighbor. We share land border with Myanmar. So this is Myanmar. Myanmar shares its border with India, Bangladesh, China, Laos and Thailand. And then it also shares border with the Andaman Sea. So this is Myanmar, and if we will look at the map of Myanmar in detail, so we will be able to see the Shan Plateau. So this is the location of the Shan Plateau. So this is Shan Plateau, which is, you can say, located in the center of Myanmar. And Shan Plateau you can say is a region of even surface which is higher as compared to its sideways surface. So that is Shan Plateau belongs to Myanmar, that is correct. Now if we talk about the Bago Yoma range, so this is the Bago Yoma range which is situated, you can say, it starts from the central Myanmar and then goes towards the southern Myanmar. So this is the Bago Yoma range. So the Bago Yoma range and Shan Plateau are located in Myanmar, this is correct. Second, the Salween and Sitong rivers form the river system in Myanmar. So let's see. Let me rub this for you people. Okay, now coming back, let's see the river system, and that is, if we will talk about, so basically if you will see, this is the Salween river and this is the Sitong river. So both Salween and Sitong river belongs to Myanmar. So if we will talk about, so this is the Salween river, and Salween river originates from the Tibetan region and it goes to the Andaman Sea, and very important river for Myanmar because it basically covers a lot of region of Myanmar. And then if we talk about, then it is the Sitong river. So Sitong river originates from or within Myanmar and it moves out in the Andaman Sea, and both Salween and Sitong river forms a part of the river system of Myanmar. So second is also correct. Third, Myanmar shares its longest border with India. So look at this map. This statement is wrong because this is Myanmar and this is Myanmar's border with India. So this is the border with India. So it does not share the longest border with India. It shares the longest border with China. It has a very long border with China. So this is the border with China. So longest border with China, then on second number it shares the border with India. So Myanmar shares its longest border with India is wrong. So the correct statement we have to talk about which of the statements given above are correct. So first and second is correct. It means that the correct answer for this question becomes option B, that is 1 and 2 only. Moving on to the next question, the reference is the Israel-Iran conflict, which you can say which recently took place, and the question is, the term two-state solution is often mentioned in the news in the context of matters related to which country? So that is China, Israel, Iraq or Yemen. So whenever we hear the term two-state solution, I think because it remains so much in news that you people will be able to answer it. So that is between Israel and Palestine. So that is between Israel and Palestine, and this solution of two nations theory is given by the United Nations to solve the conflict between Israel and Palestine, but it was not accepted. So the two nation theory was not accepted. So if we talk about, this is the map of Israel and Palestine. So this is Israel. This area is of Israel, while the Gaza Strip, this is the Gaza Strip, and the West Bank, this is the West Bank, it belongs to the Palestine. And Israel and Gaza Strip of Palestine shares its western border with the Mediterranean Sea. So this is Mediterranean Sea, this is Egypt, then you have Jordan, you have Syria, you have Lebanon. So this is about the two-state solution in brief, and the correct answer becomes option B, that is Israel. Now next is the practice question, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. Consider the following pairs. On one side port is given, while on the other side country is given. So first is Haifa, UAE, Fujairah, Israel, Gwadar, Pakistan. So these three are the port and the country associated. Which of the above pairs is or are correctly matched? So we have to talk about the correctly matched pairs. So that is only 3, only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. So go and see the map, look for these three ports and their associated countries, and give me the correct answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.